after clearing how to find LCM and when to find LCM, now let us talk about how and when to find HCF, the highest common factor. And if you have not watched the video on LCM, the link might be coming over here. So watch that video also, so you get the hint how and when to find LCM. So let us talk about HCF, the highest common factor, and how do you come to know that in this question you have to find HCF. Let us read the question. Rachel has 24 red candies and Maya has 18 green candies. They want to arrange the candies in such a way that each row contains equal number of candies and each row should have only red candies or green candies. What is the greatest number of candies that can be arranged in each row? Now, if we see, the thing that we are finding is highest common factor. Now, as we did in LCM, again we are going to look at this word. The hint or the keyword that we are looking for is highest, okay, or anything that is related to highest. For example, it can be maximum, it can be biggest, it can be tallest, anything, okay. So you have to look for these words in the given question. It can be biggest, and just a second, it can be tallest. Okay, so these are the words that gives you the hint that in this question we have to find the highest common factor, HCF. Okay, so let us go back to our question and look for this keyword. Okay, so reading the question, row should have only 3 candies or green candies. What is the greatest number of candies? Okay, so greatest is also one of the words which hints you that we are finding the highest common factor. So greatest number of candies that can be arranged in a row. That means in this case we are finding HCF of 24 and 18. Again, you can use any method whichever you are comfortable with. First off, let's say I am using prime factorization, so I'll find the factors of 24. Now again, look at 24, it is an even number, so it can be divided by 2. So 2 12s 24, 2 6 12, 2 3 6, and 3 1s 3. So the factors of 24, prime factors, are listed like this, okay. And the other number is 18. Again, it is an even number, so it can be divided by 2. So 2 9s 18, 3 3s 9, and 3 1s 3. So the factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Now let us look at the list of the factors that we have here, and we are finding the highest common factors. So let us look at the factors that are common. 1 2 is common. We have 2 more 2's, but they are not present in the list of 18, so we'll not look at that. Then if you look, 1 3 is in 24 and the other 3 is in 18. There's one more 3 in 18, but it is not there in 24, so we are not going to look at that. So the 2 common factors that we have here, HCF of 24 and 18, will be 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So that is how we find the HCF. Okay, so what are the words that we will keep in mind while solving the word problems? Is highest, the word itself, highest common factor. Then it can be maximum. Then it can be greatest, as we just saw. It can be greatest, it can be biggest. Okay, so these are the words that give you the hint. One more I'm forgetting. Okay, biggest, maximum, greatest, tallest. These are the words that give you the hint that we are finding the highest common factor in the given word problem. And still, if you have not seen the video on LCM and how and when do we know that we have to find LCM, click on this link and watch that video also. I hope you have understood and all your doubts are cleared now. See you in the next one.